In this quick video guide, you'll learn how to set up your SENET server and get ready for a smooth start. Getting started is simple and fast. Open the registration link in your browser and enter your current email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and follow the link to continue the setup. Give your server a name, usually it's your venue's name. Then add your contact details as requested. After that, please submit your request and let us take care of the technical part. Setup usually takes about 30 minutes. Once your server is ready, you'll receive a welcome email with your admin panel link and credentials. Open the admin panel right from your browser. There is no need to install software on your admin PC. From now on, you get secure, instant access to all management tools. That's it. You're now ready to set up your Esports Center with SENET. Your next step is to install a client shell on your gaming computers. We'll show how to do that in the next video. Need help? Our expert support team is here for you 24/7. You can easily reach out through the live chat in your admin panel or via Telegram or Discord channels. SENET. Manage your esports center with ease, provide greater gaming and educational experiences, and grow your business.